John Santaferraro here from Ferraro Consulting. I'm about 2 weeks past the Informatica conference that I attended and wanted to share some insights. Several things pop into my mind. One, this company's delivering on their promise of digital transformation. They're doing it. They've taken Power Center and delivered something far more powerful in IDMC. Second, they are killing it in terms of their use of generative AI. Because they have Claire, this rich set of metadata, they're doing what other data integration, data management vendors can't do, because everything they're doing with Gen AI is built on top of this rich set of active metadata. Third, they're delivering on the promise of unified data engineering. Every major enterprise has anywhere from 8 to 10 different integration platforms, and companies are sick of having to integrate their integration platforms. It doesn't make any sense. Well, Informatica is delivering a full set of data engineering features all in a single platform, and they're doing it effectively. Now, yes, there are some areas where they're not fully functional compared to some other vendors, but the benefit of having everything in a single platform being run on top of active metadata like Claire, and being able to automate and recommend and all of the things that you want to do with artificial intelligence, that outweighs some of the few capabilities that you might add in some areas by adding a second or a third integration platform. Informatica, you guys killed it. You're killing it. I look forward to next year, look forward to hopefully an even bigger vision. I'm anticipating, now that you've delivered on the vision that you shared a year ago, that something new is coming down the pipe, and I look forward to seeing what that's going to be.